Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore investor communications with Podio, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore investor communications with Podio, start by logging into your Podio account. Ensure you have access to the workspace dedicated to investor relations. Navigate to the Apps section within the workspace to find the relevant communication tools. Identify the app used for investor communications. Open the app to review any existing communications and data. Check for any missing or outdated information that needs to be addressed. If necessary, create a new item within the app to update current investor details. Provide a clear and concise title that reflects the purpose of the communication. Fill in the relevant fields with accurate information regarding your investors. Consider using the comments section to note important points or discussions. Once all information is entered, use the share feature to notify relevant team members about the updates. Next, prepare a communication plan to inform your investors about the progress. Draft a message outlining the key updates and any actions required from their side. Utilize Podio's email integration to send this message directly from the platform. Monitor responses and engage with investors promptly to address any inquiries. Regularly check in with your investors to keep them informed of ongoing developments. Evaluate the effectiveness of your communication strategy after each update. Make adjustments as necessary to enhance future communications. Lastly, document insights gained from this communication process for reference in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.